Most electric dirt bike owners are slowly destroying their bikes without even realizing it. Not from crashes, not from hard riding, but from small habits they repeat every single week, thinking they're doing everything right. The worst part? By the time the problems show up, the damage is already done, and repairs aren't cheap. And what's even crazier is that some of the most common advice online is actually making these bikes wear out faster. So before your battery fades, your power drops, or your bike suddenly feels off, you need to hear this, because chances are you're doing at least a few of these right now. 11. Overcharging the battery. Let's dive right into a common mistake that many riders make: overcharging the battery. It's an easy trap to fall into. After all, who doesn't want their bike charged up and ready to go? However, leaving your electric dirt bike plugged in for too long can lead to serious battery health problems. Many riders don't realize that electric bike batteries can suffer from what's known as battery memory. Over time, this can create a significant decline in battery capacity, meaning your bike will have a shorter range and won't perform like it should. Think of it as the battery forgetting how to hold a full charge because it's been artificially overextended. The best practice is to establish a charging routine that avoids leaving your bike connected after it reaches full power. Check your battery specifications. Many modern bikes come equipped with smart charging systems that will help regulate this, but it's still wise to keep an eye on it. Aim for short charging sessions and unplug once your battery has fully charged. This small adjustment can preserve the longevity of your bike's battery life and keep it performing at its peak. Want to know a secret? It's also a good idea to let your battery drain down to about 20% before recharging. This simple act, even if it requires a bit of planning, will keep your battery in top condition. It's all about striking the right balance and ensuring your electric dirt bike remains ready for any thrill ride you're ready to take. And believe it or not, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to ensuring your bike's health. Stay tuned, because up next, we'll tackle the often overlooked realm of routine maintenance. You won't want to miss it. 10. Ignoring tire pressure. Speaking of maintenance, let's discuss something that plays a crucial role in your bike's performance and safety: tire pressure. Proper tire pressure isn't just a convenience, it's fundamental to handling, grip, and overall ride quality. Riding with the wrong tire pressure can severely affect your bike's performance in a number of ways. When tires are underinflated, they create more rolling resistance, which means your bike has to work harder to move. This not only drains your battery faster, but can also lead to reduced handling and stability, resulting in a less enjoyable ride. You might find that your bike feels sluggish, and when navigating rough terrains, it can lead to a dangerous loss of control. On the flip side, overinflated tires can create a harsh ride experience and increase the chances of tire blowouts. With too much air, the tire becomes stiffer with less surface area touching the ground, which diminishes traction. This not only makes the ride uncomfortable, but can also compromise safety, especially when taking sharp turns or navigating tricky obstacles. So, how do you keep tire pressure in check? A simple pressure gauge is your best friend. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure before each ride. The ideal tire pressure for your electric dirt bike should be detailed in the owner's manual, so make sure to refer to that for specifics. By keeping your tire pressure at the recommended level, you'll not only enhance your riding experience, but also significantly increase the lifespan of your tires. Now that we've polished these essential checks, next up, we'll be tackling the dangers of riding in extreme conditions. Stay tuned. 9 riding styles that stress electric systems. Electric dirt bikes deliver power instantly, and that's exactly where many riders get into trouble. Hammering full throttle from a dead stop every single ride feels amazing, but that instant torque sends a massive surge through the motor and controller. Do it often enough, and the system starts wearing down in ways you can't see, even if the bike still feels fast. Another common mistake is riding at max output non-stop, especially on longer sessions. Electric systems need brief moments to cool and rebalance, but most riders treat them like gas bikes that can just keep screaming. Over time, that constant load builds heat in the motor and electronics, leading to power fade and performance drops that seem to come out of nowhere. What makes this worse is that electric bikes don't always warn you when you're pushing them too hard. There's no engine noise, climbing, no obvious red flags, just silent stress stacking up ride after ride. And what a lot of riders do right after they hop off the bike only makes that hidden stress even worse. 8. Post-ride habits that do long-term damage. Right after a hard ride is when a lot of damage quietly sets in. One of the biggest mistakes is parking the bike immediately while everything is still hot. Heat gets trapped in the battery, motor, and controller, and without airflow, that heat lingers far longer than it should. Riders don't notice anything at first, but over time, this shortens the life of the most expensive parts. Then there's washing the bike. Many electric dirt bikes are advertised as water-resistant, and that word gives people way too much confidence. Spraying water directly into seams, connectors, or tight spaces slowly pushes moisture where it doesn't belong. The bike may run fine for weeks, then suddenly start acting weird, cutting power, or throwing random issues that are hard to trace. Another overlooked habit is plugging the bike in immediately after riding, while everything is still warm. Charging on top of built-up heat adds extra strain to the battery and electronics, even though it feels like the responsible thing to do. And just when riders think they're being careful, 7. Riding in extreme conditions. Let's get into a topic that many riders might overlook: the risks associated with riding in extreme conditions. Whether it's blistering heat, torrential rain, or rugged terrains, pushing your electric dirt bike beyond what it's designed for can lead to serious consequences. First, let's talk about extreme weather. High temperatures can wreak havoc on your bike's battery and electronics. Heat can cause batteries to overheat, leading to reduced efficiency and a shorter lifespan. You might notice that your bike doesn't hold its charge as well, resulting in fewer rides between charges. Then there's the issue of moisture. Riding in the rain or muddy conditions can lead to water damage if your bike isn't properly sealed. Water can infiltrate critical components like the electronics and battery housing, leading to corrosion and even failure. Not to mention that riding in muddy conditions can cause a buildup of grime that can harm the bike long after you've finished your ride. And let's not forget about rugged terrains. While your electric dirt bike is built for off-road adventures, constantly navigating harsh trails can strain components like the suspension and frame. It can lead to misalignment, potentially compromising the bike's integrity over time. Pushing your bike too hard in these conditions can even lead to catastrophic failures, leaving you stranded and facing expensive repairs. In essence, while it might be tempting to tackle every weather or terrain condition head-on, knowing the limits of your bike is key to ensuring its longevity. With that in mind, let's shift gears to something you might not immediately think about, but can significantly impact your bike's performance: software updates. 6th, not updating software. In our tech-driven age, keeping your bike's software up to date is more crucial than ever. Yet it's often an afterthought for many riders. Neglecting software updates can hinder your bike's performance and lead to frustrating riding experiences. Manufacturers regularly release firmware updates not just to fix issues, but also to enhance performance, improve battery management, and add new features that could genuinely elevate your riding experience. So when you skip these updates, you might miss out on significant enhancements that can improve your bike's efficiency and functionality. Outdated software can also introduce security vulnerabilities, especially if there are known issues that could allow unauthorized access to the bike system. Keeping your firmware updated ensures you're protected against potential risks that could jeopardize your safety while riding. Additionally, riding with outdated software might lead to compatibility issues with newer accessories or apps designed to enhance your riding experience. You could find that features or functionalities intended to make your rides smoother simply won't work as intended. To stay on top of this, make it a habit to regularly check for software updates. Many manufacturers provide notifications or alerts when a new update is available, so keep an eye out. Just like your bike's physical components, its software needs care to keep everything running smoothly. 5. Lack of cleaning. Now let's tackle a seemingly simple task that holds immense importance: cleaning your electric dirt bike. You might think that washing your bike is merely about aesthetics, but neglecting this task can lead to significant long-term damage. Dirt, mud, and debris can accumulate in hard-to-reach places, affecting not just the bike's appearance, but also its functionality. Over time, this buildup can lead to corrosion on vital components like electrical connectors and bearings, significantly affecting performance. Quality performance hinges on keeping moving parts free of grime, which can act like sandpaper, causing wear and tear. Additionally, a dirty bike can cause overheating in the motor and battery. When dirt accumulates, it restricts airflow, restricting the cooling system's efficiency. An overheated motor can lead to decreased efficiency and a reduced lifespan, meaning you might be looking at costly repairs sooner than expected. Cleaning your bike isn't just about keeping it looking sharp. It's a vital maintenance task that can prevent deeper issues down the road. Make it a routine part of your riding experience. A quick wash after your rides can protect your investment and keep your bike in top shape, ready for whatever adventure comes next. Now, let's shift gears to another critical aspect of usage: charging equipment. It might sound straightforward, but using improper charging equipment can lead to dire consequences for your bike's battery health. 4. Using improper charging equipment. Using the wrong charger may feel harmless, but it can be one of the quickest routes to battery failure. Electric dirt bike batteries are sensitive to the type of charging equipment they use. If you're using a charger that isn't specifically designed for your bike's battery type, it can lead to overcharging, overheating, or even permanent damage. For example, chargers that aren't compatible with lithium-ion batteries can cause them to swell or leak, significantly shortening their lifespan. Even worse, using an incompatible charger can void any warranties you may have on the battery or bike. Always refer to your bike's manual for recommended charging equipment. Stick with the charger that comes with your bike or purchase an OEM charger specifically designed for your model. It's a small but essential investment that can save you from the headaches of premature battery wear or complete failure. Also, take note that chargers with different voltage outputs must be avoided, as they can provide too much power for your battery to handle. Always ensure the voltage and amp rating match the specifications provided by the manufacturer. Now that we've covered the importance of charging equipment and regular cleaning, the next chapter delves into the often ignored but crucial topic of ignoring warning lights and alerts on your bike's dashboard. You won't want to miss what's coming up. 3. Ignoring warning lights and alerts. Let's turn our attention to a critical aspect of riding safety: ignoring warning lights and alerts on your bike's dashboard. Many riders might view these notifications as mere annoyances, but disregarding them can lead to severe consequences that could compromise both your safety and the health of your bike. Warning lights are designed to communicate the condition of your electric dirt bike and alert you to potential issues. For instance, a battery warning light may indicate that your battery is overheating or that charging is malfunctioning, both of which could lead to complete battery failure if left unchecked. Similarly, if a warning light for brakes comes on, it could mean your brake system is failing and may not perform effectively when you need it most. Another common alert could signal tire pressure issues. If this warning light appears and is ignored, you risk handling difficulties or tire blowouts on the trail, which can be dangerous. Additionally, other alerts might relate to motor performance or electrical systems. If your bike's software detects irregularities, it can trigger an alert that, if ignored, may evolve into more significant problems over time, such as a compromised motor or malfunctioning electronic systems. In essence, those dashboard alerts aren't just there for decoration. They provide crucial information about your bike's health. Always take the time to address any warnings promptly to avoid escalating issues that could lead to costly repairs or unsafe riding conditions. 2. Modifying components neglectfully. Now, let's discuss another common pitfall: modifying your electric dirt bike's components without proper knowledge. While customization can enhance performance and make your ride unique, poorly executed modifications can lead to significant failures and, ultimately, costly repairs. DIY modifications often stem from good intentions, rider enthusiasm, and creativity. However, without a solid understanding of your bike's mechanics and systems, these changes can do more harm than good. For example, upgrading to a more powerful motor without considering the battery's capacity can lead to overheating and accelerated wear, resulting in battery failure. Another common modification may involve fiddling with the suspension settings. Improper adjustments can lead to poor handling, affecting your ride quality and safety. If the suspension isn't suited to your weight or riding style, it can lead to decreased performance and responsiveness, which can be dangerous, especially when tackling rugged terrains. Additionally, tweaking the electronics or software of your bike without a comprehensive understanding can result in compatibility issues or system malfunctions. For instance, installing aftermarket parts that aren't specifically designed for your bike can lead to alarming errors in your bike's systems or poor integration with existing components. Before diving into the DIY modifications, always do your homework. Consult with a professional if you're uncertain and understand the potential implications of the changes you want to make. Your electric dirt bike is an advanced piece of technology, and treating it with the care it deserves can save you from headaches down the road. Next, you won't want to miss our final insights on keeping your electric dirt bike in prime condition. 1. Not seeking professional help when needed. It's vital to recognize the importance of consulting professionals when you encounter serious issues with your electric dirt bike. While the DIY approach can be appealing, especially for enthusiastic riders eager to learn, tackling complex problems without sufficient knowledge can lead to disastrous results. Many bike components, including the motor, battery, and electronics, are intricate systems that require specialized understanding. Attempting to fix these issues without the appropriate expertise can not only exacerbate the problem, but may also lead to further damage, turning a simple repair into a much more costly one. For instance, if a bike's electrical issue is not correctly diagnosed, it could affect other systems, ultimately leading to a complete failure of the bike. Moreover, safety is a paramount concern. If critical components like brakes or suspension are improperly handled, you could put yourself in a dangerous situation when you're back out on the trails. Accidents from mechanical failures due to DIY repairs can lead to severe injuries. For these reasons, it's advisable to consult with trained technicians or mechanics for any significant repairs or part replacements. They possess the knowledge and experience needed to accurately diagnose issues and ensure that repairs are conducted safely and effectively. When electric dirt bikes start losing range, power, or reliability, it rarely happens all at once. It's usually the result of small habits stacking up over time. Charging routines that seem harmless, riding styles that feel normal, and shortcuts most riders don't think twice about. By the time something feels seriously wrong, the damage has already been building quietly in the background. The upside is that none of this is complicated or expensive to fix. A few smarter choices can add years to your battery, keep your power consistent, and save you from repairs that hit hard. Electric dirt bikes reward awareness more than aggression, and the riders who understand that are the ones still ripping while everyone else is wondering what went wrong.